Welcome fam to Oahu, where every moment feels like a dream. Join us as we embark on this unforgettable journey on this episode of Arun Eats and Travels. Yo fam, we actually took this trip about 1.5 years ago, man. And I thought I had lost the footage, but I was blessed to have been able to find it, man, and recover it, which was awesome. So I kind of want to share our adventure, and it starts in the heart of Waikiki Beach, where the sun-kissed sands and the crystal clear waters beckon us to unwind and soak in the island vibes. And just walking through downtown to get to the beach is just an amazing feeling, man. It's hella chill in comparison to a lot of these metropolitan places, you know? You definitely get that island life feel to it, you know? And of course, the beaches are beautiful. And the cool thing about this area is that they actually section off part of the water to kind of give you a safe area where you and the kids can play and hang out, where it doesn't get too deep. And there's places to eat, places to hang out at outside of the beach here in this area, of course. And I love the fact that they maintain some of the natural trees, like this banyan tree right here. And the kids loved exploring the city, man. So this is a compilation of our whole trip, fam. The best of the best.
Who is this man?
He's the father of freaking surfing. Matsumoto, that was going to be our first stop. We ended up stopping over at the Dole factory, so we wanted to come visit this place anyway. So if you guys haven't been, we haven't been either. So it's going to be our first time walking around and checking it out. Are you guys excited? Look at this guy. This guy's heck of excited. Look at this guy. How about this baby back here? She is excited. The only two people who are up are the adults, because these kids got up California Standard Time and are now tired. Anyways, let's get to it. All right, fam. So we just stopped over at the Dole factory. Just a quick pit stop. It probably will not be a quick pit stop. It'll probably be longer than we wanted it to be, but might be fun. Let's check it out. It is very busy.
No, it's hurting.
Ariana's like, what?
So after basking in the beauty of Waikiki, we set off to explore the iconic Dole Plantation. And you're probably wondering, what can you do here at the Dole Plantation? Well, there are plenty of little activities and little kiosks where you can shop at. And of course, you could definitely indulge yourself in what Dole is known for here on the island. And that is their pineapples. Seeing all the cool and amazing kiosks selling the local goods and souvenirs was really cool. But what caught my eye was the Hawaiian-style roasted nuts kiosk, man, which we're about to try.
Come over here on this side. All right. So we got these. What are these? Aloha Hawaii pineapple glazed roasted nuts. Let's see what it tastes like, huh? We're gonna give it a try. You like it? Want some more? Are you looking for the rooster chickies? Oh, really good. All right, so this is almond, macadamia nuts, and cashews. So it's mixed nuts. Oh yeah.
Hello mate, I've come to collect the nuts from eBay. I haven't paid yet, I brought the cash with me. Can I just have a look at them before you give them to me?
These good? Oh my god, look at this mountainous of... Wow.
Oh my god! Wow!
What are you doing right now? You're topping it? This is Livermore.
Yeah.
We finally made it.
After an hour.
How long? I think 2 hours almost. Alright, you ready, Ariana? Ready, Evie?
Yo, so we climb aboard the Plantation train and embark on a journey through the lush pineapple fields, learning about the rich history of pineapple farming here in Hawaii, man. It is a pretty long ride, man. It's not too bad. I think it's like a good Man, 30-minute tour, I would say. Definitely takes you off your feet and you're able to relax. For our next adventure here in Hawaii, we lace up our hiking boots and venture into the enchanting Manoa Falls Trail, surrounded by towering trees and the soothing sounds of nature. Come and take a walk with us, man. Let's go.
All right, so we're here, guys, taking a pit stop from looking for the best shave ice in the world in Hawaii. Now we're just gonna take a break from that, just take a little walk, and we are at, where are we at? What falls? Manoa Falls. Manoa Falls. No, not Mania, Manoa.
Okay, Manoa.
Okay.
So ready? Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Anime.
All right, guys, we're gonna go trek it out, boy. We're gonna trek it out. We're gonna thug it out. We're gonna go for this walk, man. And yeah, man, it's beautiful out here. It's very lush and green. So we're going. We can play catch up a little bit. But Aideen, Mommy, and Ariana. We're walking. Ariana, look, your favorite thing. Oh my God. Little roosters everywhere. Fun fact, I guess, from what I read online, a lot of these roosters and these hens were displaced by during, I think a couple of storms, I believe, and they started breeding in the wild, man, and a lot of these farms were destroyed, and these guys were just set loose all over the islands. So that's why you see a bunch of roosters and hens all over the island, which is kind of cool to see, but it's a trip. It's a trip. It's fine.
It's not raining, it's sprinkling, but it's going through the leaves. Rain has to go in the leaves.
I know, but what are they? Because I saw the hen eating it. Yeah, but it's cute. Still going up. Still going up.
Oh, you can see water streaming down from the top.
Yep.
Must be water up there.
Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Are we gonna get right up there?
Ooh.
Molly, you look somewhere white. I don't know if it's on this side, but there's a black stick.
Watch out, there's like some poop here or something, dude. Watch out. Mommy's not made for this. She's already tired.
Green sand.
Huh?
Blue sand.
She's already tired.
This is my favorite color.
Already tired.
Ooh, my favorite color. And their favorite color.
Let's keep going.
Go.
You want water?
Sand.
No?
What? I want
I'm
you
good.
to get a jar cup.
Beautiful. Like,
Oh, yeah. A few minutes. Minutes. A few minutes is 10 minutes, and that's a long time. Like at least.
Almost there. Almost there. We almost there. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's not even too far. It's not too bad, but we'll make it.
Sunny weather is a joke.
Yeah. No.
Cool.
Let's go. It's drizzling. We're almost there. Oh. It's right there. Look at that. There they are. Woo!
Okay, we'll walk it down.
18. Was it worth it?
Yes.
It was cool, right? It's beautiful, right? Ariana. Hey, you gotta stay away from the edge, baby doll.
thank you.
Wow. Well, we made it. It's beautiful. And we're on our way back now. And it's raining. It's nice tropical rain, but it's still raining. So, huh? All right. So, all right, I had to put away the camera because it was pouring pretty hard, guys. But what'd you think, Mommy? We didn't get to all the way to the bottom of the waterfall, but we got to the top to see the peak of it.
All the way to the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of rushed it.
What do you think, Aideen? You have fun? All right, everybody, we are at the Polynesian Cultural Center, about to take a tour. Probably get our grub on over here as well. We'll see what they have to eat. But yeah, on our fourth day here at Oahu. So, y'all ready? Y'all ready to join us on our little trip? All right, let's go. Oh, what are you getting?
What did you ask for?
No, not yet. I got the tickets though. So,
What do you like, water?
Our quest for adventure leads us to the Polynesian Cultural Center, where we immerse ourselves in diverse traditions and customs of the Pacific Islands. You get to experience everything from fire dancing to traditional crafts. Every corner of the center is alive with the spirit of aloha, which is the greeting of peace, love, mercy, and affection.
job. Can you do one hand? Thanks. What do you say, Ariana? You do it with one hand? Oh, that's pretty good. Do it again. All right. What are they gonna do, honey?
Make a fish, a reef, like origami.
Coconut, please.
All right, let's let her just. Let's not make too much noise. Pay attention, all right? Thank you. You know, I'll take one. Thank you. Don't bend the top. Yep. Yes. You do it? Show me.
Papa, is it supposed to go that way?
That way, there you go. No, the other way. There you go. Beach. Currents are a little bit stronger here, but they got a lot more like tide pools and stuff out here, man, that you can kind of go snorkeling and whatnot. But I mean, yeah, definitely not recommended for swimming. You don't see too many people surfing, but you know, you can kind of wade in the pool a little bit, lightweight, but I'm sorry, in the ocean, lightweight, but you know, it's beautiful out here though overall. And right behind me, some of these scenes may look a little familiar, but this is where they shot Jurassic Park. Yeah, it's pretty dope. And they got tours of the of that area. What is it called? Was it Kualua, I think? That's where they shot Jurassic Park. Check this out. And again, they got like ATV tours, biking tours, all sorts of fun activities out there. And you can check out the scene, and some of those scenes may look familiar to you. I haven't been. Maybe the next time around. Don't really have too much time this trip, but yeah, we'll see what happens next time, man. We'll check it out.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace.
What are you doing?
Show me what's in your dress.
What's in your dress? What's in it? Oh.
Show me. Show me. Stay there. Show me.
All that coral. All that coral.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Stay there. Hey. Stay.
As the sun sets on another perfect day in paradise, we journey from the legendary North Shore, which you just got a visual of, back to the Polynesian Cultural Center, where we embark on a thrilling canoe tour, gliding through the tranquil waters as we learn about the ancient voyages of the Polynesian people. So let's go back, man.
Oh, did we take a picture of it? No, we didn't.
Yes.
No?
Yes, we did. All right. You want to go on the canoe ride?
Yeah.
Got away from mommy. All right, cool. Isn't that cool?
I'm out of the cold. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. I'm out of the cold. Tomorrow's getting closer. Yesterday is gone. Destination nowhere. I travel on my own. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark. You look all the way up. I'm out of the cold. If you see any coconut, there's a coconut. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware.
Wow.
Nothing can stop me.
One last time, then.
Ready? Watch. See this? Let me help you? Here. I need help.
I'm not leaving.
You got it.
Yo, so this place is full of a ton of old school cultural games, you know what I mean? And they're really fun to play along with the family, but, you know, I had to show them what's up, man. I had to show my family how it's done and how a real G gets down, you know? So, if I can't do it, it can't be done, man. So here we go.
Bike, you know what I mean? It's you ready, Ariana, to go on a ride? All right, here we go. Look at him go. Look at this guy go. Look at the family go. See, he got the kids moving. He got the kids going.
Can I go?
You can hear him go. All right, before we go off, So we're out here chilling. What is this? Waikiki Beach, right?
Waikiki Beach.
And after we chill out over here, they're gonna probably go get some shave ice.
Yo, fam, Hawaiian shave ice is mandatory when visiting Hawaii. Doesn't matter what island you're on, but in Oahu, there is definitely a mandatory stopover that you must make to get your shave ice on. And that is, of course, the world famous and world renowned Matsumoto Shave Ice.
Man, it's a long line, but it's moving pretty fast, I would say.
Not too bad. Especially the line we were in today.
We're so used to it.
Man. All right, man. This looks legit. Oh my goodness.
Mommy.
Okay.
What did you get?
You know what? I don't even. It's tiger's blood and mango. Let's scoop this thing. Oh man.
It's good.
It's really good.
Look how pretty that is. What? Guava, coconut, and banana. With mochi and vanilla ice cream.
Bro.
That's really good.
What's
This
this
is
one?
an Asian mochi.
This one
We
is
cook our Asian dessert.
tiger's blood
Okay.
and
Or you
guava.
can-
But this is a small, guys.
Which one's tiger?
That's a lot. No wonder there's a line out to get this. So we ended up coming across this shave ice booth, coconuts and shave ice, here by the Waikiki Beach Hotel, and we're gonna give their shave ice a try, and then we're gonna be moving on to the next one. But let's see how it is, man. It looked pretty good to me. So let's see how it is.
Papa, did you get any shave ice?
I did.
Which one?
It looks good, huh? They ran out of cold coconuts? Did you want some? Oh man. We'll come by next time, huh? Yeah. Good? You like it, 18? Oh my god. I think he's gonna finish it. Oh my goodness. Our shave ice escapade is Island Vintage Shave Ice across the street from Waikiki Beach. And yeah, got some great reviews and on Yelp, and we're gonna go give it a try. You ready, Ariana? All right, let's go.
So what differentiates Island Vintage Shave Ice from the rest? Well, there's syrup, of course. Their syrup is actually made with real fruits and fruit juices, so you get that natural tasting flavor rather than the artificial sugared up flavor, even though I love that stuff too. But this is going to be something different, man, than what we have tasted in comparison to the rest of the shave ice that we've had here in Oahu during our stay here.
All right. So at Island Vintage Shave Ice, it looks like that they use all natural shave ice flavors. So this blue one here is the coconut, and here is the mango, and we got little chunks of mochi balls all throughout. These are handmade mochi balls as well. Kind of like how they had at thing. It looks a little bit more. No, yeah, feels about the same. And I believe we have ice cream at the bottom of this. So let's all dig in. Who's gonna get in? All right, let's get it from the top, guys.
Is it good?
Bro, this is hella good. Man, you need to try some. That ice cream is really good. The flavor is actually excellent. Really. Consistency is like really perfect. But I would say I wish they had a little bit more flavor that went all the way into the bottom, right? You know, that's the only thing that I would recommend at this place. But this place is awesome. This is. I mean, it doesn't feel like sugary, too overly sugary either. It's just the perfect amount of sweetness, so it's fine by me. But it's really good.
Yeah, this is good.
Do you need sugar? But you don't care?
I need all this much sugar. And this.
A little bit more sugar? I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. This is probably one of the better shaved ice I had here. So I've had 4 since I've been here, 4 different ones. But I would say this is one of the better ones because consistency, the flavor. And again, I wish the flavor went all the way in, but the texture is amazing. It's just like,
Softer than
it's really soft. There's no grit whatsoever. So even when it's melting, it doesn't get gritty. So that's a good thing. And then the flavoring is actually really good. I don't like the mochi. I would avoid the mochi. That's me personally. But the ice cream, the, what do you call it? The condensed milk, and the natural flavors. About that, so good.
Yo fam, thanks for watching our video. We appreciate the love and support. We hope we inspire you guys to visit a new place and get outside of your box and enjoy life, man. If you haven't already done so, remember to subscribe to your boy's channel, continue sharing the videos, and if you have any suggestions on where we should visit next, drop it in the comment section below. One love.